Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. We were discussing about the chapter work around us. So in our last video we have discussed about the different skills that people are expertised like embroidery, stitching, masonry, pottery. But students, these skills do not need any particular training. They can be learned by observing the people or by working with the people who are skilled in such type of crafts. But there are certain jobs that need a special type of training, and they used to get trained in a college or an institute. So those type of skills where we need a special type of training are called professional skills. If you see, there are many jobs that need such type of professional skills like doctors, engineers, pilots and all. They need to be trained before going for the job. If you see the doctor, a doctor need to be trained in a medical college. So generally the doctors, to become a doctor we need to study in the medical college. So to become a doctor it needs higher education and lot of practice also. And after completing their studies and practice in the medical college, they can treat the patients. If you have any person who will say, I know everything, I worked with the doctor, I know how to treat, you come to me. Will you go? No. You will go to the person who is properly trained and experienced and practiced a lot. Same way if you see pilots. Again pilots, they are the people who fly the aeroplanes. So before flying the aeroplanes, they need to get trained in properly, formally in a flying institute, and then only they can fly the aeroplane. If you see, when we are in the aeroplane, actually our lives are in the hands of the pilot. If a person say that I know how to drive a car or a truck and I can drive the aeroplane also, will you have the guts to enter into that aeroplane? No. So the pilots need to be trained properly. Same way, the engineers, they design and construct roads, bridges and dams and all. And before performing such type of activities, they used to get trained in an engineering college. So after completing their 12th, they need to enter into the engineering college. They need to get formally trained, they need to get higher education before starting such type of jobs. So students, these jobs not only they need the training, they need higher education also. We need to get educated in that particular area, and then only we can perform such type of jobs. You might have wondered, many people wearing special type of clothes that are meant for a job. These clothes are called uniforms. Why do you think they need this uniform? The very important thing is, first thing, that they can be recognized according to their work. For example, a doctor, they wear white coat. If you see judges and advocates and all, they wear that black color cloth. So just by seeing, if a doctor is wearing a black color, can you think that he is a doctor? So that white color coat is the identity of the doctor. Same way, that black color coat is the identity for the advocates and judges. So in many professions, uniforms are must. Even in many schools, the teachers have the uniform. Why? So that by seeing them, they can be easily identified to which school they belongs to. Same way, in students also used to have a particular uniform, a special cloth. Even you used to wear uniforms when you are coming to school. Why? So that we can be easily identified to which school belongs to. We are the students of which school. So every school have their special uniforms even the teachers used to wear, the students used to wear. And even if you see, like we are in Jamnagar, and two companies are very much famous here, popular here, that is Reliance and Essa. And even we can see the uniforms for these people also, they used to wear different uniforms, so that by seeing these uniforms we can easily understand they are working with which industries, with company. So uniforms, they shows the identity of the job what we are doing. What do you think the role of women in every field? We can say, if you see, in earlier days only men used to go out for work, and women, they used to stay at home and they used to take care of house, children and all the household works. But the time has changed totally. Now you can see women working as teachers, engineers, doctors, nurses, astronauts, and even politicians, so pilots. So in every area women has entered and they are performing in a better way. Even I am sitting here as your teacher and I am also a woman. So compared to earlier days, the mentality of the people have changed. The woman has entered into every field and trying to give the best in whatever work they are doing. We can see many software engineers, hardware engineers. So everywhere we can see, even if you see nowadays in petrol pumps and as a mechanic the women are working. So it's really a very proud matter for us. If you remember, then Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, they were the famous astronauts who has made India proud. And even if we have earlier talked about sports also, where women have worked very hard and they have proved themselves. So there is no field where women has not expertised. So salute to all the women of the world. So students, it is very important to recognize the work of every individual. We should treat every work as important, and most important thing is we should not discriminate people based on the type of work they are doing and what the money they are earning. Students, every person is doing job to earn money, to fulfill their needs, to fulfill their desires. So we should not underestimate any work. We should once think that if that person will not do that work, then who will do? Some works are there that we can't do. We need somebody to help us, to serve us for this society. So every work is important. So discrimination means we should not differentiate that okay, he is a doctor, so we should give more respect, and if he is a sweeper, then we should not give any respect. No, for us every work is important. The nurses, they are also doing a great job. They are serving the patients, they are giving medicines, injections, taking care of the patients. So in every area we can see every person is doing important job, and we should understand the importance and we should respect all the jobs. We can give value to these jobs. So students, hope you have understood this chapter very well. So even you can work, you can help your parents in one or the other way. You can do small things, like you can make your own bed, then you can arrange your cupboards, your bookshelves, make ready your bags, complete your homeworks in time, and then you can help your mother on the dining table, cleaning the table, arranging the plates. So there are many ways even you can also work to help your parents. So keep enjoying, start helping. Have a nice day.